Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on a outfit or hairstyles with AI or using AI in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open this Canva app. You can download this app for free from official website. Don't forget to sign it with your account. To get started, you can click apps, then click AI powered. Now you can scroll down and try to find dress up AI. Try on any outfit or hairstyle with AI. So here, quickly replace models, outfit or hairstyle in just a few clicks. Perfect for showcasing different clothing style on product detail pages. So here, you need to prepare the image or upload or select an image from your design. Then you can upload or select an image from your design that has style you like to apply. Then describe which part of the original image you want to change. Then click to transfer image. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.